So today we are going to start revision 2 of chapter number 12, areas related to circle, and we have completed two exercise, important questions from two exercise. Now only one exercise is left, and that I'm going to complete today. Okay. Now in the third revision will complete the. I will take up all the CBSE previous years board exam questions. Okay. So let us start with the first question of 12.3. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.19 if PQ is equals to 24 centimeter and PR is equals to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. So what is given that here? First PQ is equals to 24 centimeter is given and PR is equals to 7 centimeter. Now this angle is 90 degree. Why this angle is 90 degree? Why this angle is 90 degree? Because angle in semicircle is 90 degree. RQ क्या है? Diameter है. Okay, so angle in semicircle is equals to 90 degree. So this angle is equals to 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so Pythagoras theorem if we apply, so we'll get QR square is equals to RP square plus PQ square, right? So PQ और RP दिया हुआ है. RP is 7 centimeter, PQ is 24 centimeter. So 7 square plus 24 square, 49 plus 576. So we'll get 625. And what is the square root of 625?
25.
25. Very good. So QR हम लोग को यहाँ पे मिल गया. Now QR is the diameter of this circle. So the radius will be 25 by 2. Okay. So अभी इस हाफ सेमी सर्कल में अगर हम लोग राइट ट्राइंगल निकाल देते हैं, if we will remove right triangle from this semicircle, then we'll get the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region क्या होगा? Area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR या RPQ. Okay. So now what is the formula of area of semicircle?
Half into pi r square.
Very good. Half into pi r square. And area of triangle is half into base into height क्योंकि ये 90 degree है. So this is base and this is height. So we'll substitute the value of pi 22 by 7, radius is 25 by 2, and RP we have 7 and this is 24. Okay, so this we can cancel 12, and here also we can cancel only this 2. सिर्फ एक ही कैंसिल हो रहा है. सो 11 इंटू 25 इंटू 25. So we are getting 6,875 upon 28 minus 84. Now we'll take LCM. Okay, we'll take LCM. 28 into 84, 2352. फिर हम लोग 6875 minus 2352 करेंगे. 4523. Okay. So 4528 by 3, and approximately this is equals to 161.53. So we'll get 161.53. Okay, so hence the area of the shaded region is 161.53 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.20 if radii of two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and the central angle is given 40 degree. So this is very easy. What you have to do, area of large sector or bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. Okay, area of sector OCD minus area of sector OBD. Okay, so radius of smaller circle is given 7 centimeter. We'll take it as small r, and radius of the larger circle, yeah, bigger circle is 14. We'll take it as capital R, and the central angle theta is given 40 degree. And just now I told you that area of shaded region is area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle sector. So bigger sector theta upon, तो फॉर्मूला क्या है? थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर, और पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 360 दोनों तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. सो बिगर सेक्टर का हो जाएगा पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 360 इंटू थीटा, और स्मॉलर सेक्टर का हो जाएगा पाई स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 360 इंटू स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर theta. So we'll take pi, theta and 360 common. So we'll get pi theta upon 360 into capital R square minus small r square. Now we'll substitute all the values. The value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of theta is 40. So 22 by 7 into 40 by 360, 14 square minus 7 square. So यहाँ पे we can cancel this to 9 मिलेगा. Okay, so 7 into 9, 63, and 196 minus 49 we can do. Okay, so 196 minus 49 is 147. We'll get 147. Okay, so this we can cancel. ये हम लोग cancel कर सकते हैं 21 से. 21 into 7, 21 into 3. So finally what we are going to get 154 by 3 centimeter square. If you divide, you will get approximately 51.33 centimeter square. Hence the shaded region, the area of shaded region is equals to 51.33 centimeter square. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
so now we will move towards question number 3. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.21 if ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter and APD and BPC are the semicircles. Now see, these two semicircles are same. Why? Because the sides of squares are equal, so AD और BD दोनों equal होगा. Okay, so the radius are same, so these two semicircles are also same. So just what we have to do, square में से दो semicircle हटाना है. If you remove, then you will get the shaded region. So the area of shaded region will be equals to area of square minus area of two semicircle. Okay, so side of square is given 14 centimeter, and that will be the diameter of the semicircle. So what will be the radius?
7 centimeters.
Very good, 7 centimeter. So area of square हो जाएगा side into side, that is 14 into 14, 196. Now we'll calculate area of one semicircle. Okay, so what is the area of semicircle?
Half into pi r square.
Very good, half into pi r square. So the value of pi is 22 by 7, and this is 7 into 7. So 1, 2 we can cancel here, and 1 7 also cancel, and we'll get 77 centimeter square. This is area of one semicircle. Now area of two semicircle will be 2 into 77 centimeter square, that is 154 centimeter square. Now at the beginning I told you that the area of shaded region will be equals to area of square minus area of two semicircle. So 196 minus 154, you will get 42 centimeters square. So this is the required area of shaded region. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards fifth question. केवल selected questions हम लोग कर रहे हैं. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in this figure. Find the area of remaining portion. So it's very simple. हम लोग को क्या करना है, ये चारों quadrant, okay, 1 2 3 4, all this 4 quadrant if we combine will get one circle. Okay, and this circle we have to remove to get the area of the remaining portion of the square. So what is the side of a square is given? 4 centimeter. So area of square कितना हो जाएगा? What will be the area of square?
16.
16.
Very good, 16 centimeters square. And radius of each quadrant is given 1 centimeter. So the area of 4 quadrants will be equals to 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. One area of quadrant का जो formula है, that is 1 by 4 pi r square. So 4 quadrants means you have to multiply 4. So you will get one full circle, that is pi r square. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. This 4 will be cancelled and we'll get 22 by 7 only. Now area of circle at the center circle, this one. Diameter is given 2. So radius will be 1.
1.
What?
So area of the circle at the center pi r square, 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. So here also we are getting 22 by 7 centimeter square. So now we are going to write the final formula that area of the remaining portion will be equals to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants minus area of center circle. Okay, so now we are going to substitute all the values. 16 minus 22 by 7 minus 22 by 7. So this will become 44 minus 44 by 7. Now take LCM, 112 minus 44 by 7. So we'll get 68 by 7 centimeter square. Approximately it is equals to see अभी अगर क्वेश्चन में 3.14 दिया है, so 3.14 3.14 it will be 6.28. If you subtract you will get 9.72. अगर क्वेश्चन में 3.14 दिया है then we have to take this one. ओके, बट क्वेश्चन में 3.14 नहीं दिया, बट एक बार एग्जाम में एक क्वेश्चन आया था उसमें 3.14 भी था. सो इसलिए while substituting the value of pi you have to very careful that whether the value of pi is given or not. If not given you have to take 22 by 7. If the value is given that value you have to take. ओके, सो फिलहाल तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे 9.714 मिल रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards a very important question. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC is in the middle, this one. Okay, we have to find the area of the design. Design means ये वाला design. So it's a very simple concept. Circle में से triangle हटा दो. So area of design will be equals to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. So in order to find the area of circle, radius is given. So it is not a big issue. But in order to find the area of equilateral triangle, side is not given. So our first target is to find the area side of an equilateral triangle. So one property is there for equilateral triangle. If we draw a median, median जो है वो altitude भी है. Okay, median of an equilateral triangle is the altitude also. So we'll draw first. Radius is given 32 centimeter. So OA, अगर हम लोग center लेते हैं, if you are taking center, OA will be 32. Okay, and AD is perpendicular to BC, and AD is the median also, and O is the circumcenter also, O is the incenter also, O is the orthocenter also, O is the centroid also. So this is a very special property of an equilateral triangle that centroid, incenter, circumcenter और orthocenter सभी same होता है. Okay, so we know that the median and altitude of an equilateral triangle are same. Also centroid, circumcenter are same, and centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. So AO upon OD will be equals to 2 by 1, right? So what we will do, we will substitute the value of AO, that is 32 centimeter. So 32 by OD is equals to 2 by 1. So from this we will get OD is equals to 16 centimeter. So now we'll find the value of AD. AD कितना हो जाएगा? 32 plus 16, 48. Okay, and we know that the height of an equilateral triangle is given by one formula, √3 by 2a. So we are using that formula. Okay, so √3 by 2a is equals to 48. So from this formula we'll get the value of a. So a is equals to 48 into 2 upon √3. ओके, 48 16 into 3 होता है. अगर हम लोग √3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो विल गेट 16 √3. सो 16 √3 into 2. अदरवाइज यू कैन रैशनलाइज ऑल्सो. ये डायरेक्ट करने का मेथड है. सो विल गेट a इज इक्वल्स टू 32 √3 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो हम लोग को जो चाहिए था वो मिल गया. Now we'll write the formula. Area of design is equals to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. So what is the area of equilateral triangle formula?
Root 3 by 4.
A square. Root 3 by 4 a square, right? So we'll substitute all the values. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 32, and side is 32 root 3. Okay, so if you multiply all this, यहाँ पे 4 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, 8 यहाँ पे मिलेगा, and root 3 into root 3 it will become 3. So we'll get 32 into 32 into 3. वेट एक मिनट, ये 4 यहाँ पे कैंसिल नहीं होगा, सॉरी. This 4 will be cancelled with this one. Okay, we'll get 8. So root 3 into root 3. Okay, 3 हो जाएगा. So 32 into 8 into 3. So अरे एक मिनट, 8 into 32 into 3. So we'll get 768 root 3. Okay, and if you multiply 32 into 32 into 22, we'll get 22528. So हम लोग को जो आंसर मिलेगा 22,528 by 7 minus 768 root 3. इनफैक्ट यही आंसर बुक में दिया हुआ है, बट हम लोग को क्या करना है, पूरा आगे करना है, एक दो स्टेप्स और करना है. When you divide 22,528 by 7, you will get 3,218.29 approximately. And the value of root 3 is 1.732 into 768. You will get 1330.18 approximately. So finally we'll get 1888.11 centimeter square. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन है. Okay, so बुक में ये वाला आंसर दिया है. This answer is given in NCERT book. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. Now we'll move towards question number 7. In figure 12.25, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. So ये भी R हो जाएगा और ये भी R हो जाएगा. Okay. तो what is the side of square given? 14. So what will be the value of R?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter, right. So side of square is given 14 centimeter, so radius of circle will be 7 centimeter. 14 centimeter अगर side है तो radius 7 centimeter होगा. And the central angle, देखो सभी quadrant है यहाँ पर. Okay, if you remember the formula of quadrant, you can write directly 1 by 4 pi r square. सपोज क्वाड्रेंट का फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है तो फिर यू कैन टेक पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 360 एंड यूजिंग दिस 90 डिग्री यू कैन कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ 4 quadrants. Okay, so what is the area of square here? 14 into 14, that is 196 centimeter square, and area of 4 quadrants will be 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. If you know the formula, you substitute directly. If you don't know the formula, you can use this sector formula by substituting theta is equals to 90 degree. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जब ये कैंसिल करेंगे तो 4 अपने आप आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. ओके, सो 4 कैंसिल, 1 7 कैंसिल, एंड वी आर गेटिंग 22 into 7, 154 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो ये पूरे स्क्वायर में अगर हम लोग क्वाड्रेंट पूरा माइनस करते हैं तो विल गेट द शेडेड एरिया. Okay, so area of shaded region will be equals to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. That is 196 minus 154. So if you subtract, you will get 42 centimeters square. Right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 9. In figure 12.27, AB and CD are 2 diameters and they are perpendicular to each other. So this is 90 degree. Okay. And OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equals to 7 centimeter, so find the area of the shaded region. So पहले तो ये right side में देखो, ये right side में this part, I am talking about this part. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग सेमी सर्कल में से ये ट्राइंगल माइनस करते हैं तो दिस साइड विल गेट दिस शेडेड रीजन plus area of smaller circle. Okay, so first of all, area of bigger circle is given, radius of bigger circle is given 7 centimeter. So diameter of smaller circle is equals to 7 centimeter. So what will be the radius of smaller circle? 7 by 2.
3.5 centimeters.
7 by 2 will write. Okay, 7 by 2 centimeter. Now AB is perpendicular to CD, it is given. तो ओ ए जो है ए ओ परपेंडिकुलर टू सी डी भी हो जाएगा, राइट? क्लियर? नाउ एरिया ऑफ बिगर सर्कल दैट इज पाई आर कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर, इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 22/7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7. सो ये दोनों 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ओके, एंड विल गेट 154 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर सर्कल विल बी इक्वल्स टू पाई r small r square. So 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2, 1 7 will be cancel and एक 22 को 2 से cancel कर लेंगे, 77/2, that is equals to 38.5 centimeter square. Now what is the area of triangle ABC? Half into base into height. So ये base हो जाएगा और ये height हो जाएगा, okay? So half into 14 into 7. सो एक 14 इस एक 2 से कैंसिल कर देंगे तो 49 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. सो वी गॉट एवरी वैल्यूज. नाउ एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन, एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन विल बी इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर सर्कल and area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. This I have already told you. Smaller circle area is 338.5 and semicircle area half of 154 and area of triangle ABC is 49. We'll substitute all the values. So ये हम लोग को 77 मिलेगा यहाँ पर. 77 minus 49, 28 plus 38.5, 66.5 will get. So this is the final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards another question. Question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is given 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. That means ये R है तो ये भी R है. So AB का half हो जाएगा radius, okay? But the side of equilateral triangle is not given, that we'll find, okay? So find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equals to 3.14 and the value of root 3 is given. Whatever the value is given, that we have to use. So very easy concept. Equilateral triangle में ये तीनों sector minus करना पड़ेगा. Then we'll get the area of shaded region, okay? An equilateral triangle area is also given, but in order to find the area of three sectors, we required radius, okay? So first of all, we'll use the area of equilateral triangle formula. What is the area of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 4 a square.
Root 3 by 4 a square, that is side square. Okay, fine, very good. So the value of root 3 is already given in the question. Okay, root 3 का value question में दिया हुआ है 1.73205, that value will take. तो side square कितना हो जाएगा? 4 into this divided by root 3. Now substitute the value of root 3. Okay, so root 3 में कितने decimal place है देखो, 1 2 3 4 5. तो what we will do, we will multiply divide by 1 lakh, right? 5 zeros. And here one decimal is given, so we'll multiply divide by 10. So if you do, you will get this step. ये वाला step clear है तो आगे बढ़ेंगे.
Yes, sir.
देखो इसका डेसिमल निकाले तो यहाँ पे 10 आ गया और रूट 3 का जो डेसिमल है वो निकाले तो यहाँ पे 1 लाख आ गया. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, this 2 will be cancelled. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो रहा है और यहाँ पे एक जीरो वी कैन कैंसिल. सो विल गेट 40,000. ओके, साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 40,000. सो 40,000 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना होगा?
40. 400.
नो, सी ये दो जीरो का पेयर है तो यहाँ पे 100 आ जाएगा. What is the square root of 4?
200.
Yes,
So 2.
200. Final answer is 200 centimeter. Okay, now we got the value of side. Side अगर 200 है तो radius कितना होगा?
100.
100. Very good. So radius of the circle is half of the side of an equilateral triangle. So half into 200 will be equals to 100 centimeter. Okay. So area of three sectors will be equals to 3 into area of one sector. Area of one sector is pi r square into theta upon 360. Okay. So 3 into 3.14 into 100 into 100 into 60 upon 360. So we'll get this value because each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, तो थोड़ा से हम लोग यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. 3 into 60 180 होता है, तो यहाँ पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 आ जाएगा, and 1 2 we can cancel here, so we'll get 50. 50, right? So we'll get 314 into 50. Okay, so that is 15,700 centimeter square. So area of three sectors we got. Now area of shaded region, as I told you at the beginning, that area of triangle minus area of three sectors. Area of triangle, it is given in the question, that is 17,320.5. Now we have to subtract this number, so we'll get 1,620.5 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving towards 11th question. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter, are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay, so radius is given, radius of the circular design is given 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and this see, this is 1 diameter, 2 diameter, 3 diameter. So side of square will be equals to 3 times the diameter. Okay, so whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
the diameter is 14, क्योंकि radius 7 दिया तो diameter 14 हो जाएगा, so 3 into 14 will be 42. So we got the side of square. So it's very easy question. Square में से 9 circle हटाना है, minus करना है. Okay, so area of remaining portion of the handkerchief will be equals to area of square minus area of 9 circles. So area of square will be side square, and area of 9 circle will be 9 into pi r square. So that is 42 square minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So एक 7 cancel हो जाएगा. 42 का square 1764 होता है, और ये हो जाएगा 154 into 9, 1386. So if you subtract, you will get 378 centimeters square. So this is the required answer. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 12. In figure 12.30, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equals to 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant OACB and shaded region. So area of quadrant is very easy, 1 by 4 pi r square formula use कर सकते हैं. And area of this shaded region, how will you get? You have to subtract this triangle. Okay, ये triangle को subtract करना पड़ेगा. So first of all, first bit, radius of the circle 3.5 centimeter. We can write 7 by 2 also. So area of quadrant will be equals to 1 by 4 pi r square, and the value of pi is 22 by 7, and radius is 3.4, or you can write 7 by 2 also. Okay, अगर 7 by 2 लिखते हैं तो कैलकुलेशन आसान होगा. मैं 7 by 2 यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. I'm going to write this 7 by 2 in place of this. So 1 7 you can cancel, and 1 2 also you can cancel here. So I'm getting 77 by 8. 77 by 8 will be equals to 9.625 centimeter square. Okay, so you can do directly also by taking 3.5 or 7 by 2 also. Now area of shaded region will be equals to area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD. Right? So 9.625 already we got, and what is the area of this triangle? OD is given 2 and this is the radius, that is 3.5. So half into base into height. So we'll get half into 3.5 into 2. 1, 2 we can cancel. And 9.625 minus 3.5. So we'll get 6.125. This is the final answer. Okay. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards question number 13. In figure 12.31, a square OABC is inscribed. Inscribed मतलब उसके अंदर में बना हुआ है. In a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equals to 20, OA is equals to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. So quadrant में से square minus करना है. But quadrant का area निकालने के लिए we should know radius. So radius is not given. So what we will do? We will join OB first. Okay, join OB. And we know that the we can use directly formula also. Square का जो diagonal होता है वो a root 2 होता है. That formula also you can use directly, or if you do not remember that formula, you can use Pythagoras theorem. So this is 20. By using Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. That is 20 square plus 20 square, 400 plus 400, 800. And the square root of 800 is 20 root 2. अगर formula याद है, you can use directly the formula. Diagonal of square is a root 2. Okay. Now the area of square will be equals to 20 into 20, side into side, that is 400 centimeter square. And the area of shaded region, just now I told you that area of shaded region is area of quadrant minus area of square. So radius हम लोग को already मिल गया 20 root 2. So area of quadrant minus area of square. Formula of area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square minus 400. Now we'll substitute the value of pi as 3.14. It is already given in the question. And the value of r is 20 root 2. Okay. Right. So यहाँ पे हम लोग एक 20 को हम लोग 4 से cancel कर दिए, 5 मिल गया. Now root 2 into root 2, 2 हो जाएगा. Right. And this is 100. So we'll get 200. So 200 into 3.14. So 628 minus 400. So we'll get finally 228 centimeter square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards one of the most important question of this exercise, 15th question. In figure 12.33, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. So this is very good question, very important question. Many times exam में आ भी चुका है. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? First ये वाले triangle को और ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है? Right? Triangle and semicircle we will add. So we'll get full figure. And in full figure we will subtract this part, quadrant. So we'll get area of shaded region. So area of shaded region will be area of triangle plus area of semicircle minus area of quadrant. So हम लोग के पास इसमें क्वेश्चन में केवल रेडियस दिया हुआ है क्वाड्रेंट का. So this is 14. This is also 14. But semicircle का रेडियस नहीं दिया हुआ है. That is BC diameter we will find by using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. So 14 square plus 14 square we'll get 196 plus 196. So we can write 2 into or you can write 2 into 14 square. So that will be equals to 14 root 2 centimeter. So the radius of semicircle will be 14 root 2 by 2, 7 root 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So area of semicircle is half pi r square. So we'll substitute pi and r. Okay. ये root 2 into root 2, 2 हो जाएगा. So we can cancel with this 2. And 1, 7 we can cancel. So 22 into 7 will become 154. Okay, so we got the value 154 centimeters square. Now area of sector A, B, C, this one. Okay, A, B, P, C, A means area of quadrant. I am talking about area of quadrant. So this is 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4, 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So 14 we can cancel with 7 and ये भी cancel हो रहा है and 2 also cancel, we can cancel it. So we'll get 22 into 7, 154 centimeters square. Okay, so अब एक ही बच गया area of triangle ABC, that is half into base into height, half into 14 into 14. So we'll get 98 centimeters square. अब area of shaded region, I already told you that area of triangle plus area of semicircle minus area of quadrant, that is sector. So 98 plus 154 minus 154. So these two will be cancelled and finally we will get 98 centimeter square. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So now we are moving towards the last question of that exercise. Calculate the area of the design region in figure 12.34 common between the two quadrant of circles of radius 8 centimeter each. Right? So what we will do, first we will find area of quadrant A, B, P, D, A, this quadrant. Okay. So 1 by 4 pi r square formula, 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8, right? So we can cancel this. So we'll get 16 into 22 by 7. So we can write 352 by 7 centimeter square. Now area of triangle ABD. So we'll join these two. Okay, ये वाला join करेंगे हम लोग. देखो half into base into height. So we'll get 32 centimeter square. अभी इस साइड में हम लोग अगर quadrant में से ये वाला triangle माइनस करेंगे, so we'll get this area. Okay, right? और दूसरे साइड का भी वही होगा, सिमिलर होगा, सेम वैल्यू होगा. So we can multiply with 2. Okay, so area of design region common between two quadrants will be 2 times area of quadrant ABPDA minus area of triangle ABD. Okay, 352 upon 7 minus 32, right? इसको multiply करके divide अगर minus करेंगे 352 से, so we'll get 224 है ना, 224 minus करेंगे तो 128 by 7 मिलेगा. So 2 into 128 is 256 upon 7. So the same answer is given in the book and the approximate value is 36.57 centimeters square. So this is the last question of this exercise and we have completed all the important questions from all the 3 exercises. Now in the next revision, I will take up all the CBSE previous year's board exam questions other than NCERT. Okay, so now we are moving towards the assignment questions. Only 2 questions are there. So I will post it in the Google Classroom. You have to submit through Google Classroom only. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.